Stevie Schneider, live from Mexico, and I show you my little silver horse I brought here. Yeah, it's a giant glory with a nice sticker of myself on it, just to give me luck, with secret suspension tuned by Stereo and Flow. Big shout outs to Walter, thank you for the tuning, it really works nice. Pancho wheels, front and back, with the best tire in the world, the Wii tire. I really like them here on the desert dust. Also SB1 pedals are really nice. I ride them now for 2 years now without having problems. SB1's drivetrain, also super indestructible, and yeah, this is my little rig. Thanks for watching on Mexican Bike Checks. Arriba!